Anybody recognize this? Guess where I'm at? And you have to have sunglasses if you're going to look at this thing. Yep, I'm at Figgy Ed's. It's going to be a fun day. Y'all, you're not going to believe where I'm at. I'm at Figgy Ed's, and I think I might get a cutting.
I don't know what to do, Danny. What are we going to do over here right now?
I don't know. I mean, I'll take them all, right?
I think that might actually work.
I'll root them, and no, that's a bad idea. No,
where you going?
No, I was gonna say I'll root them, but I don't know that I'm the person that needs to be rooting those. So
look at this, all from Harvey.
What?
Still sitting. What month are we in?
It's July. Tomorrow's July the 4th. How is it already July?
I know.
Jeez.
And when did Harvey sell his? These have been sitting in the fridge for months.
Oh my gosh! Yeah,
look how good they look.
They do. They look great.
Every one of these, I bet you, if I open these up, they all look absolutely amazing. Thank you, Mr. Harvey, sir. Open one of these bad boys up over here.
This is always the fun game right here with that saran wrap. Yeah. Finding the end and then
see it.
Oh, oh, you're almost there. There you go. Look. Nice.
And you must understand, my friend, when I go to Harvey's page, I was looking for some really good varieties that I don't have and I'm not very familiar with. For example, Figo Mulatto.
Figo Mulatto.
How many people
Interesting.
know Figo Mulatto?
Not me.
Look at this cutting.
Still perfect. Still perfect.
No rot.
Wow.
Nice cutting, huh?
Yep.
All right, Daniel, let's divvy these up, man.
Okay, let's do it. I'm game. I'll take whatever.
Look how huge these are.
They're gigantic. I'll take whatever you want to give away.
All right,
let's do it.
Look at this thing. It's alive. How is this alive? I feel so bad. I'm so neglectful to these cuttings.
I will take good care of them.
I'm so glad they're finding a better new home.
Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look, it's like a giant sleeping bag rolled up with cuttings in it.
I can't believe they're still alive.
It is alive.
These cuttings here are from my man Dan Louie. This is my kid's dad.
Stop it.
Oh my gosh, I just put 2 and 2 together right now.
Okay.
Live on video.
Wow.
I just put 2 and 2 together, man. Thank you so much for these amazing cuttings.
And thank you so much for these amazing cuttings.
That have just found a new home that's going to take care of them.
Yes. So, wow. So, yeah, he and I just started texting a little bit. So, very cool. Now I've got some of his cuttings.
I'm pretty sure it's the same person. We just want to confirm. We'll just confirm.
Maybe I'll edit this out.
I said it because of the name Dan. So there's a lot of Dans out there.
Yeah, there's Dan with Amos Acres.
Oh, no, that's who this is.
It's Amos Acres?
That's who this is.
Okay.
Correct.
Yeah. And we definitely text. We texted this morning.
Okay, so rewind.
Okay. I don't think I could do that. Do you want to start over?
No,
we're not starting.
Rewind in your mental break.
So Figgy Ed Live. This is Figgy Ed Live.
So Figgy Ed Live, guys. In your brain, please rewind. Still love you, my kid's dad. You are amazing.
Yes, he is.
But Amos Acres, thank you very much for these figs, whose name is also Dan, coincidentally. And I have to thank you because you sent me some really wonderful varieties over here that I can't wait for Danny to root.
You'll get them. I mean, if I'm successful, you know that your cuttings are yours. So they will come back around.
I'll take it. 1 year later.
Oh, yeah. That's it. 1 year. Come on, man. I got 6 months. I'll have you some too.
They're still alive, man. You see how long these have been sitting in the fridge? Ice cubes. I took ice cubes off the thing.
And they're still green.
It's green in there.
Still got green. Yeah, I don't know if they can. Was that 3D? I'll put up a 3D warning.
Right. Get your glasses on.
Yeah, get your glasses on before this. Y'all, look. I cannot believe all of these cuttings. I mean, that's just all cuttings rolled up in there. Absolutely nuts. Fun. with Figgy Ed. Fun with cuttings with Figgy Ed. That's what I was going to say.
Oh yeah, that was good.
Yeah.
Fun with cuttings with Figgy Ed.
Yeah, fun with cuttings with Figgy Ed.
I'm in.
All right, we got it. So, and I want to say a big props to your lighting guy also, because we are very well lit. Look at this thing. Can y'all?
Don't look too hard.
No, I just looked. I feel like I just looked at the sun.
Yeah.
I'm going
really
blind.
like that.
I hope that y'all can even see that. What is that? 1,000 watts?
That's 1,000-watt AC Infinity Ion, like the best of the best this year. I'm sure with technology, the way it's changing so rapidly, they'll have something better. But this has the best efficacy that you could possibly get right now. So you get the most bang for your buck using this light. So it's more expensive up front, but within a couple of years, it should technically pay off that delta.
Okay. So wait, we just had another word that we can say is different between New York and East Texas. Because I would have said efficacy. What did you said something different.
What did I say?
You said efficacy, but you didn't pronounce it that way.
Efficacy? I said it differently before?
Yeah, you did.
Let me think. I could do this again. So it's not efficiency.
You said you kind of said efficiency, but you said it different. I don't know. Maybe that's what you said. Did you take? You took two words and put them together.
So it's not, okay. It's not an accent thing. It's hello. Where's your brain thing?
I got you. All right. And we continue.
So what panache?
Yeah.
My panache that I have. Yeah. I'm really glad to hear that you were able to.
I think it took. Yeah, it's growing, and it's not falling over like my other one, so it's doing good.
I'm going to read that your panache is grafted well on a good rootstock.
My panache is grafted well. It's taken well.
Yes.
On a brown turkey.
And it's on a good, healthy root. Yes. That brown turkey's how old?
It's the second year. Yeah, it's the second year.
So you might potentially get figs off of that before me, because on its own roots, I think panache is supposed to be one of the hardest figs to get it to root. It takes multiple years, and mine's on its third year, and there's still no figs on it right now. Third year.
So you said root, but you meant fruit, right?
I meant yes, correct. I said it's not one of the hardest ones to root. It's not. It roots like I haven't found some that are harder to root than others. I'm not bought into that theory yet. It's one of the hardest ones to fig out.
To fruit. Gotcha. Yes. Okay.
So you might actually have a surprise visitor.
If I get it, I will let you know.
Correct.
If I get it, I will let you know. But we may have to have a little discussion on this. Some are easier to root, or some are not hard to root.
Yeah, correct.
I'm struggling with this I-258, but we'll talk about that.
I don't know, man. For some reason, every time I
can't even hold that. Yeah. Look, that's all cuttings. Wow.
For some reason, if I take a cutting from my tree, and it probably has to do with the fact that I'm not putting it in a fridge and I'm not shipping it across the country, and I just do the little scrape that we do. We just remove the bark, show the cambium, don't damage it.
Just get the bright green. We just want to see the bright green.
Pop that right. I put a little bit of H1 or H3 Hormidin, or you could use the Clonex, whatever you want. I have 100% success rate. I literally, I'm not using the word 100% loosely. They all root for me.
Wow.
When they don't travel across the country. I don't know. And they're healthy trees.
I will say this. You sent me those cuttings back in winter, 100% rooted.
Yeah,
Now, I didn't do very well up potting all of those, but 100% rooted, and then I decided to kill them when I tried to up pot them.
Hey, man, we got to live and learn, right?
Yeah.
And plus, if you're going to do that with the ones that I have a million of.
Very true. But, yours root, and they rooted fast, like 2 weeks. I had roots.
What I mean.
Yeah, 2 weeks.
I have mine rooting in like 3 days.
Right. Wow.
Like all of these things that I rooted, those two right there, you see those two San Daniel? All the way at the edge right there.
Those right there.
Those in. That was less than 2 weeks ago. I put those in. And look how much they grew already.
Yeah. Well,
all right,
Danny,
this is yours, my friend.
Holy mackerel!
Look at this thing. It's like it's not light.
That's like 3 pounds worth of cuttings.
At least. That's probably more than 3 pounds. All right, now we have to go measure the weight, Danny.
No. Okay, fine. Let's go weigh it.
And here we are with the weighing.
All right.
You might have been wondering in your head, like, Figgy Ed, you're not going to be able to weigh a random bag like that. Like, what kind of scale do you have? Like, what are you in a university or something? No, I have a box. box.
We have a box.
Let me show you.
All right, let's
take
do
the
it.
box. I'll put it there. Voila. We will tear. And now we're zeroed out.
All right.
Now, can we fit this thing?
I don't know.
I don't know if this fits in there.
We probably should have tested that first. Your
Right,
theory was sound right up until we tried to fit it in the box.
Let's show you Figgy Ed style.
All right, Figgy Ed. There we go. Let's go.
Boom! It fits.
So what? It's not square anymore.
No.
All right, and we.
Oh my God! You were so right. No more video. Get out of here!
Come on, man. Oh, jeez.
You can get all that video.